everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to repair a puncture on your tire. So this is a 275/55/20 Dueler Bridgestone Dueler tire. This is off our Ram 1500 truck. Earlier today my wife was driving down the road, she hit something and slowly started to lose air pressure. So we got it back home here and I was taking a look at it. I really couldn't find the hole initially, but once I took a little soap and water to it I was able to find it. So as you can see we got a little puncture right here, and if you listen really closely you can hear it. Alright, so for this repair we're going to be using this. It's a Boulder Tool kit. It is a tire repair kit. So when you open it up here, there's a couple of different things in here and I'm going to show you how to use each one of them. So the first tool that we're going to use is this reamer tool. Now what this is essentially this is a tool that you're going to put into the hole just to make that hole bigger. So let's get to it. Now that we got that reamer tool in there, make the hole nice and big, or as big as the diameter of this. We're going to go ahead and pull it out. Obviously all of our air is going to come out a lot faster now. Alright, so the next step in this process is we're going to take this next tool here, and we're going to put a little bit of lube on it. We're going to take our plug and we're going to slide it through this hole here. Once you get started in there, just grab your pliers and pull it through. Alright, so you want it to sit just about like that, so you got 50% on each side. Alright, so once you have your plug in your tool and ready to go, let's find our hole again. And we're just going to shove it right into the hole. If it doesn't go very easily, probably need to make the hole a little bit bigger. And a little bit more lube, just for good measure. Let's try that again. Alright, so now that we got the plug mostly in the hole, there's going to be a little bit sticking out. What you're going to do is take this piece here that moves up and down, hold firmly down on it, and then pull this out. So that should pull this out and then leave the plug still in place in the tire. Now what you're going to want to do with the rest of this is take a razor blade and just kind of cut the remaining of the exterior of the plug off. Alright, so what you should be left with is the plug in place, and there's a little bit that's sticking out, but that's not a big deal just because when you put this back on your vehicle as you're going down the road, that's just going to wear off anyway. And that's pretty much all that's to it. We do got to air this thing back up, just make sure it doesn't leak. Alright, now that we got air in the tire, as you can see, you can hear, there's no more leaking. So if one plug does not work for you, say if you have a bigger hole, you can use multiple plugs. I've seen people use multiple plugs in these tires before. Sometimes it takes 2 or 3 plugs even to get a hole stopped from bleeding out. We just needed one today. Now we're just going to air this up the rest of the way. We're going to get it back on my wife's truck. Should be good to go. Saves me $200 from having to buy a new tire. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.